Women want more educational materials before investing in Bitcoin? Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Show. Today's show is from a post by Patty Baker at CoinDesk and brought to you by BitBlockBoom. Take a look at this great Bitcoin conference that I'm bringing to Dallas, Texas this summer at BitBlockBoom.com, of course. I hope I get to meet you in Dallas for BitBlockBoom's third and best event ever. According to Grayscale, women and men, well, they're not so different when it comes to their interest in cryptocurrency. The issue is education. 76% of female investors indicated they're not familiar enough with Bitcoin compared to 52% of male investors. But 93% of the women surveyed said they'd be more open to investing if they had more educational resources available to them. The survey found women were just as likely as men to see Bitcoin's high growth potential at 56.2% of women compared to 56.4% of men. They also understood that Bitcoin's finite supply could drive future price increases, but the women appeared to be more risk averse, with 60% prioritizing financial security over building wealth. Also, 67% of women felt not being familiar enough with Bitcoin stopped them from investing in it, compared to 48% of the men surveyed. Women surveyed were also more cautious about the relative newness of the asset class. The absence of a track record was a concern noted by 65% of women, compared to 56% of men. More women than men surveyed admitted to being less savvy on investing in Bitcoin too. 44% of women versus 22% of men. The researchers concluded that greater education could go a long way to reducing investor fears and prompting more investing into Bitcoin. Now, a previous Grayscale report from July found 40% of investors interested in Bitcoin were women. The recent study found 90% of female investors would consider investing if Bitcoin had a longer track record. For now, cryptocurrency remains a male-dominated industry. Nearly 10% of Bitcoin community engagement, well, it came from women in the past week. According to Coin.Dance, Quartz found nearly 85% of blockchain companies between 2012 and 2018 were founded by men. And a 2019 study found female developers accounted for fewer than 5% of the GitHub commits to the top 100 cryptocurrency projects. Still, there's an opportunity for more women to invest in Bitcoin if they had more information. According to Grayscale, 42% of female investors feel a stronger sense of urgency about Bitcoin than men and believe now is the time to invest before prices rise. By contrast, 39% of men think the same way. As one female respondent said, she feels Bitcoin has a good chance of being a once-in-a-lifetime investment opportunity that could pay off big. So what do you think of these numbers? Please share your thoughts in the comments and remember to subscribe at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode of this show every weekday. Don't forget to take a look at my conference, BitBlockBoom, for the Great Bitcoin Conference in Dallas, Texas. I'm GaryLeland, the Crypto Podcaster, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Crypto Show. This has been a CryptoPodcaster.com production.